Hello and welcome to the short video. This is a laser unit from Sony SCD-777ESD, and the customer bought a new laser, but that laser doesn't work either in this unit. And I started looking at capacitors in the drive unit, and these are all 10 micro over 16 volts, and the value for them is supposed to be, if I look in here, 1.6. well, that one was 5, that one is 8.3, that one is good, 0.87, so 9.1. so as you see, they're all leaky. 8.9, there's just several factors greater. 11, that's bad. And then we go 14, 2.4, just outside the specs. 8.6, so they all really need to, 15, they all really need to be replaced. There are some 22s here that I think are a bit better. Yeah, 22 over 16.8, so these are within specs. Oh, sort of not too bad. That's also 22. So the 22s are alright, but all the 10s are out. That's another 22 there. So really, that might not be really a situation with a faulty laser, as people most often assume. And I've been once told off that I put in some Marantz, I put wrong brand of capacitors, and therefore I've ruined it completely. Well, those capacitors now are 25 years old too, and they don't even have a brand names on them. So, you know, you can't have a black gates in them or anything fancy. You just have to buy from your supplier and hope for the best. Well, thank you very much, and till the next one. Bye bye.